this is ALSI Will, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be playing a game on the channel, and it's called Not Alone. And I'm not sure what it's about. Only saw it for a second. I said, you know what? Might as well play for the channel. And yeah, let's get into the game. All right. Okay. You like to walk around various abandoned places. You will learn about an abandoned underground hospital that no one has ever heard of. You take a flashlight and go to it. Okay. Controls WSD to move, shift to run. Okay. I gotta run. Control the crouch, left mouse button to use stuff. Right. Camera zoom, F flashlight, look out, Q and E, escape the menu. Alright. Hello? They just threw me right in. Holy. Um, hold down the left mouse button to use. Okay. Oh, wrong one. Oh, okay. I'm gonna say what? Hold down the left. Okay, yeah, yeah. Is there anything in here? Um, some X-rays. Ugh. Somebody forgot to put their dish in the sink, I guess. I don't really like how you have to open the doors like that, bro. It's so weird. Nothing in there. It's real loud. Um, can't touch that. Can't do nothing with that. Where all this fog coming from? Why is it so foggy in here? It's so weird having the there you go. So nobody bothered to pick up the dishes. Wonder why it's abandoned. At the same time, well, I thought I saw somebody. At the same time, I don't really want to know. Sidewalk. It seems they are beginning to understand who draws on signs. Hint. QOXPE. 3. Right? A equals D?
Huh?
What? What? Yeah, I'm not understanding that. Probably find something about it or something. That's it. Margaret and Jacob, 1954. Oh, that's creepy. Still trying to get used to opening things in this game. So weird. This is the last door I haven't opened. Okay, I got the hang of it now. I wonder if I really need to open that lock or the safe, whatever it was. Lock. Who's that? Wait. 2. Okay. I think it's on the pictures. The code. That's locked. Okay. Go back to the old people, that couple photo. What's that say? 4. 2, 4. 2, 4. I don't understand. Hint QOXPE. What's that mean? Freak was that?
Smell like bitch in here. All y'all smell like bitch to me.
I'm scared to even look behind me. What the freak was that? My heart nearly jumped out my chest. That was a mean jump scare, bro. Even if it was for a brief second, bro. Which didn't really make sense to me. Can I close this? Yeah, it's closed. Okay. A equals D. The freak does that mean? The 3 going that way. What does it mean? Two, 4. I don't know. 3, 0? No? Oh my god! I heard walking! I forgot the code. I heard walking. There's something behind me. Alright, door's closed. It's unlocked. What's in there? It's a key. I thought I grasped. So key. There you go. Alright, now I can go to that unlocked door. It's locked. I'm hearing something. Oh shit, run. my god. He's getting closer. Alright, so no matter where I run, he knows where I'm at. Alright. Mm. Uh. Uh. Why is there walking me open it? Ready? Go. Why is there a lock on the door? Why is there a lock on the door, man? Doesn't make sense. What fudge? Okay, I think I figured where it has survived now. I was supposed to hide under the bed, yo. Oh, okay. Ooh, I thought he was gonna come get me. Alright, what did I do now? I don't know the code to the thing. Is he just gonna be walking around? Oh my god, bro. I don't know the code to the thing. Okay, go in here. Must be a code. Top code thing in here. I changed password. Check. You check Richard, Deborah, William, Jacob. Is it that pictures I've been seeing around? Ah, yeah, got you, bro. Okay. Where we go? Ah, shoot. Took too long. Hey, buddy. It's 5, 4. All right. So the numbers I got is 5, 4, and 2. And the last one, I'm gonna bet it's 1 or 7. I'm gonna bet on that. 5, 4, 2, 1 or 7. 4, 2, 7, 1, 9, 8, 2, 5, 4, 5, 2, 4, 4, 2, shoot. 4, 5, 1, 2. Fudge! How does the password go? Get back to my hotspot. Should be coming back soon. Fudge. Hey, buddy. Bro, I don't know how the password works. It's giving me a headache, this game. So I figured it out. I got it. Now how do I get out of here? Oh shoot. Woo! Hope he doesn't know. My god, bro. How do I get out of here? How do I get out of here? Bro. Alright, that has been Not Lonely, or Not Alone. And, this game, it's alright. It's just, it's frustrating me. And yeah, hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And, I'll be seeing you. Peace.